Hi guys, this is Akinola King, the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. So in this video, I will be explaining how to use Tradingview in analyzing markets. But before then, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button and click on notification button to get notified when we drop a new video. So let's go to Tradingview. Let's just type in tradingview.com, then click on done, enter rather. So this is the surface of the website. This is how it looks like on a window screen. So it may look different on mobile, but this is what you are still going to see there. So there is a lot of things that is happening here. You can see there's a lot of analysis here. The experts drops idea on each market. You can see the stock markets here. You can see these are the work of some experts here. Sorry, let me cross this. You can see there is a lot of analysis here. You get so many ideas in analyzing your own markets. These are the list of the brokers. If you have not get one before, you can decide to register with one of them. You can see here crypto idea. This is the idea of one expert here. You can also create your own idea too and upload it here. So I will show you guys how to do that before the end of the video. This is forex idea. This is someone's technical outlook. So for the next 2 weeks on Euro USD. So those are the predictions. This is another one. So this platform give traders chance to do whatever to practice their strategy. So I will take you guys to the chart. But before then, you have to register so that anything you do will be safe into your account. So just click on this what does it call? This symbol here, this avatar. This avatar symbol here, yeah. Just click on it. Then you see sign in. So I will advise you to sign in with your Google email. Just click on Google. If you have your email signing in this system, it will automatically take you in. So because I've registered, that's why it doesn't ask any additional question. So if you have not registered before, it will ask you some questions like name, email. No, it doesn't need to ask for email again. So name and other stuff like that. So this watch list here. So let me take you to the chart. Click on this drop down here, then click on charts to take you to the charts page. I'm sorry, I have slow network. If your network is more than this, it will fast. So this is how the charts look like. This is how the surface looks like. These are the my watch list. Let me remove that. Let me remove all this drawing. These are what I used to analyze markets maybe last week. Let me delete them. So here you can just, if you are using mobile, you can just click on the screen and expand your hand. It will expand the chart. But if you are using window, just come down and click on zoom in, zoom out, minus plus button here. Click on plus to expand the screen. hold down that and drag it up or low, so it will expand. So if you want to change the cursor, you can use cross, dot, arrow, or eraser. So but I prefer the cross, so let me leave it like this. So these are the tools, my favorite tools here. So these are the time frame: 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, daily time frame, and monthly time frame. Let me just go back to 4 hours. There is a lot of tools here. If you want to change your charts, maybe you don't like candle, you can change it to bar, or change it to lined candle or holo candle. This is the holo candle, or to line chart. So by prefer, let's use candle. These are my watch list. So any analysis I did and I know something is going to happen, I put it on my watch list. So if I want to delete anyone, you click on the X button here. If you want to add it, you click on the plus, then you search for it, then you click on enter. It will appear. Close this. You can see it there. It appeared down there. So there is a lot to do in this platform. There is a lot. It gives you every details on each market you want to analyze. You have a lot of tools to use. Let me just lest I forget. If you bring up this line here, you will see the analysis of other traders on this particular pair and the performance of the pair for the past few weeks. You can see the technical prediction of the expert here. This is going to sell based on what has happened before. You can see the performance in 1 week. It has dropped by 1.05%. In a month, it dropped by 0.47%. In 3 months, minus 2.42%. So in 1 year, it's gaining 2.17%. So that is that on Tradingview. You get prediction on the market you're analyzing. So you can work with them, and you can also do your own without even looking at it at all.
Another class from beatstudy.com.
So let me bring down this. So these are my own favorite tools here. So let me just take you through the tools. Like here, this is where you see the trend line, arrow, ray, info line. So you can add that. You can add it to favorite if you know you are using it very well. So let me just click on trend line. Just draw your trend line. So if you leave the drag, the options will come out. If you click on it back, you can change the pixel, the thickness. You can use 3 pixels. You can use 4 pixels. Let me bring it back to 2. So you can delete it there. So in these toolbars here, see Fibonacci retracement, different let me call it strategy or pattern here, pattern. So let me click on Fibonacci retracement. So you know about Fibonacci now. So it's a tool to get the retracement of a trend. So you know when a trend ends and when it's going to retrace. So this is another tools, brush, highlight, rectangle. This rectangle I used to use it a lot to draw my support and resistance out. So draw it here. If you are going to continue using any tools, just lock the tools. Click on these tools here. You have locked your tools. So draw it again. If you know you are finished, you click on that tools lock again to unlock the tools, and so that you'll be able to do another thing.
Another class from BeatStudy.com.
Sorry for this. Delete, remove drawing, so you're able to remove all the drawings there. So here is when you want to add text or any other things like arrow, balloon, price label, all sorts. Click on text. So you can edit the text, you can change the color. Let me put it in. You can change the size, you can increase it, you can reduce it. This is pattern. So there's a lot of pattern here. There's head and shoulder pattern. Just click on head and shoulder pattern. You know how head and shoulder pattern works now. So click on it. Click on it. Click on it. Drag it and form the right shoulder and drag it down. So guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel so we continue on this class continue the video. So next video we complete the tools. Thank you.